Hi everyone, this is a video about Philips fabric shaver or lint removers or pills remover that it gathers over the garments and you can shave it like a shaver, facial shaver, but on fabrics. And this one, I wanted to purchase one of these for a long time, but I wasn't sure which one is the best. But sometimes the brand names, they are doing a better job than the other ones that they are much cheaper than this. So this one is battery operated and it takes two AA batteries and safe for you and your garment, and it comes with 2-year worldwide warranty, and the brand is Philips, so it's not going to let you down. So I have a little bit of demonstration that is coming, and let's take everything out of the box and see what it comes inside the box. So because we don't have much of a stuff in there, I just unbox it here. So the item itself and the user manual and 2 batteries and nothing else. So I put this on the side. This is the item. I already installed 2 batteries in there and I haven't used it yet. I wanted it to be clean for the video. So, and we have 2 batteries, AA batteries in there, and the user manual and the brush and the 2 Philips batteries. So I put everything on the side and we are going to have a look at it. It comes with this user manual and this warranty. This is just a warranty. We put that one aside. And this is how you can operate this and clean this. That I'm going to demonstrate because this paper is going to be too big. Anyway, I put this aside. And this is the item, and this is just a brush. There's nothing special about this. And this is 2 batteries that we have already 2 batteries in there. So it has some sort of protective stuff that, cap that you can put over it. It has 3 blades there. So let me just see. You can adjust this for different thicknesses. And when you open it, you can see the blade. Let me just take the battery out. Avoid slashing myself. So, and this is the battery compartment. And switch on and off. And this is the container that gathers all the pills or, lints into there. And this is somehow, it has a, spring action to it. They are sharp, but they are not really sharp. And then you can just, I think you can just push this away. Let's first, do some sort of demonstration and see how it goes for cleaning. And you see these legs here, we have 3 legs there. These, they are generating some sort of wind action that throws everything through that hole into this container. So it has double functionality as well. So I'm gonna put this on that back again. Yeah. and I put the batteries in there. And it sounds like this. It's not really loud. And here is a smooth and very, it has different holes, so it's not going to damage your garment. So I had some sort of garment here that I wanted to just demonstrate with this. I even left it to go really bad, and this is just washed and everything is clean here. So let's do a part of this here to see how it goes. Here is focusing there, so I just try a little bit. So I leave this side, the left side. That's it. It gathers this much of lint. But I must say I am not really impressed. If you look at it, I just done this part, and this part I haven't done it yet. So let's put it on my hand to see how better I can do that. Oh, I don't know, because I'm not really impressed by the demonstration, by the performance of this. It gathered a lot of lint in here, but the look of it is not impressive. And I have to say, this is washed. So before this, I used to use a big razor blade in order to do this, and I just do one side with the big razor blade and the other side with this to see the difference between these two. So we gathered a lot of it down here, so not very impressive. I just get the razor, big razor, shaving razor, and see how it goes. So this is the big razor. You know, I took this blade, a plastic one that is coming protector here. I took that one off, and I find it is much more helpful than with that protector edge attached. And look, let's see how it goes here. It gets a lot of that, but I must say the shaver is doing a better job, because this one is leaving a lot of, you know, residue, if you know what I mean. in comparison to there. No, maybe this one is not sharp enough, as you see. Okay, let's try to do it with this now to see. Definitely, I think it is better than the shaver, because shaver, the razor blade, is a little bit, let me get into the view, is doing a better job, but not entirely acceptable if the condition of your garment is not really good or is very fluffy. If I'm getting out of the shot, please forgive me, because I'm concentrating on this. This much of lint, and it looks like this. Not really impressed by the performance, really. So at the end of this video, I'm going to recommend or not to recommend this item, and it seems that, you know, maybe is better than nothing, but is not totally recommendable, but definitely is better than a razor blade. And remember, this one is to the maximum of tightness, so not really impressed by this. And imagine that this one at the moment is brand new and the blade is really sharp. Imagine after a while what is going to happen to the blade. Rather disappointed. Anyhow, I'm gonna show you how to get the blade and how to clean this one off. I just open this and I come back. So I'm back, and the way to just do it is just open the top, and this blade can be pulled out. I advise you to just get the batteries out and then attempt to get the blade out. Of course, it is not very strong, this one. It cannot kill you, but it can make you jump. And with this, you just clean here and there. I think is a useful item, but don't expect to make your garment look brand new, because my impression was that, because there are some biased video on the YouTube that they show you that this does the best ever possible job, and unfortunately you're gonna be disappointed if you like me, if you believe in those videos. But still, is better than nothing, I guess. I guess, you know, there are cheaper items in the market that they can help you to do get a better results. And this is the amount of lint that it could gather. Unfortunately, this one is not long enough to go deep inside here, but still we've done the job. This much of lint we gathered, and if you comparison to my finger, and that's it. So now the way to put them back together is just, this part is like a square shape. If you can see, there are one round bit and one square bit that is going to fit over here. If you can see that. So you just put it in there and then turn it and push it down. That's it. And then put this on the top. And then the last bit is the lint collector and then the protector. Anyhow, this video is getting too long, and I hope you enjoyed this video along with the demonstration of the blade, razor blade. You can make a very educated guess that which one is better by this demonstration, and all of my items has been purchased by myself, and I am doing it without bias towards any companies, and whatever that I'm telling you is the true impression of myself, my own opinion. And when it comes to recommending this, partially I can recommend it because it does a better job than the razor blade, because this is going to knacker the garment a little bit as well. But if your garment is precious, never use this and purchase one of these. I mean, they are very cheap. The Chinese ones starts from $4.99 up to some of them they are $25.99, or even more dearer. The one that it has larger holes on the this surface, different sizes of the holes, and it has some of them they have 6 blades. This one has only 3 blades. So there are other ones that you can use that, but in terms of Philips, I am rather disappointed, but it's better than nothing. For the price, $15.99, I am a little bit deflated. Anyhow, I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.